So today we got the SoundCore by Anker Live Q20s. These are another set of headphones that were purchased under $100 with active noise cancellation. So what we're going to do is see if these SoundCore headphones can dethrone these. These are the One More Sonoflows. Some of the best under 100 headphones I've ever heard with the active noise cancellation that is unbelievable for the price range. So what we're going to do is see if the SoundCore can dethrone these. MC with Tech, here's the video, an unboxing and a review of the SoundCore Life Q20s. Let's go, let's get it. Here's the video. All right, MC with Tech, and here's the video. This is the video about the SoundCore by Anker Life Q20 wireless noise cancellation headphones. Pure sound, no noise. So let's go. You get it, and it has high-res audio and hybrid ANC with 40 hours of playtime and thumping bass. So what I'm going to say about these with the high-res audio, it is pretty much probably just wired in, not wireless. So one thing about the other headphones that I got a few weeks ago, they're wireless, high-res, as well as wired in. So this is not a comparison video today, but I am going to do a comparison video about both of the headphones because they're both under $100, and I hear they both have great active noise cancellation. So we're going to do a comparison about both headphones and go from there. So with that, you get comfortable ear cuffs. And so with the SoundCores, you're going to get high-res sound quality. You're going to get hybrid active noise cancellation. You're going to get bass up technology. Now we're going to put that to the test to compare them to the Sonoflows. So you get 40 hours of wireless playtime. Now with the One More Sonoflows, you get 70 hours. So that's a huge difference. That's 30 hours of difference. So these are extra soft cushions. We're going to put those to the test because I love the cushions on the One Mores. And then you get a foldable design. You get an aux mode. So you can actually put headphones and have this headphone in. So we're going to see. Also on the box, let's see. That's pretty much it. Let's go and let's do the unboxing of these headphones. So with the unboxing, let me get out my boxing tool and we're going to unbox them. Another thing is you get with the One More Sonoflows, you get a hard case. And I do like that. You get a hard case. So I'm hoping these have a hard case tied into them. That way you can carry them wherever you go. And if not, then it is what it is, you know. So we don't complain about things that we can't control. So with that being said, let's do the unboxing of these, man, and see how these are. So these are the SoundCores. And so far I can tell you there is no carrying case. So these are the SoundCores. Let's see how they come into the box, out of the package. The presentation so far is okay. You know, I'm not complaining about the presentation of them. So we're going to set everything to the side. So you get the headphones, you get a soft cushion, and the cups seem to be soft. And so we're going to take these and set it to the side. So inside the box, you're going to get your Type A. Oh, man. So this is micro charging. This is a micro. This is not a Type A to Type C. This is a micro charging. Something I don't like on headphones, but it is what it is. And then you're going to get your 3.5 millimeter jack. That's what you get so far in the box. And here you're going to get, inside here, you're going to get the manual, books on how it operates, and everything like that. So you're going to get the how you operate it. You're going to get a manual, your warranty, and everything on the SoundCores. And pretty much it. We're going to set that to the side. And you get a carrying pouch. Now, that's something I'm not too saying that I'm too thrilled about, but you do get something to carry your headphones in, and it's a carrying pouch. So it has something in the package. Okay, we're going to toss that to the side, a little poison, and we're going to set all that to the side. And so with that, with the SoundCore, you're going to get the little manual, tell you how everything is fired up and plays, and you set it up. So with that being said, we're going to take this and fold this up and set this to the side. And I'm just going to go over a few of the buttons. So let's take a look at the cup. And so here you have on the right cup, you're going to get your micro connection. You're going to get your 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones. And so this is for charging this port right here. You're also going to get on the right cup volume up, play and pause, and you're going to get your volume down. On your left control, you're going to get your AC on, and you're also going to get your play power on button for turning your headphones on. So this is your power on button, and this is your active noise cancellation button. So far I see that it doesn't have a hear through mode or passive hear through mode. So another thing we're going to also see with these SoundCores is it has a built-in app. Because one thing you get with the One Mores is you have a built-in app for helping you control some of the functions and features of the headphones. Like I said, getting that extra bass, that deep bass, hip hop on the One Mores, and just a few other EQ functions. So one thing we're going to see about the SoundCores, if they have an app, and do they have EQ presets or EQ settings. So I'm going to pause this video, come back to you, and get back with you on the video. Okay, so after downloading the app to see if these will connect to the app, you have to have the SoundCore by Anker Q30 lives in order for you to use them with the app. So these doesn't work with an app or have a built-in equalizer. So we're going to go back to the controls. So on the controls, like I said, you're going to have the power on. You're going to have the AC. You're going to have the ANC. You're going to have the power on button. On the right cup, you're going to get the some of the other features of the toggling up, volume up, pause and play, volume down. Hold the pause, the plus button for 2 seconds, and you're going to get a track forward. Hold the minus button for 2 seconds, and you're going to get a track back. And so you're going to be able to do the bass up also with the power button, not with the power button, I'm sorry, with the play button, 2 seconds for bass up on the play button. And you're going to be able to answer calls and cancel calls with that middle button right here for pause and play. So with that being said, we're going to take a step back and we're going to put some music on, and then we're going to do the active noise cancellation test that I do, and we're going to get back with you and let you know how these sound. Let's go. MC with Tech. Okay. After an extensive testing of the active noise cancellation on the SoundCore Q20 Lives, I got to give it a thumbs down. I got to tell you, I did a little test with the Sonoflows by One More, and better. The active noise cancellation is definitely better. I mean, I'm still going to do a comparison video, but definitely better. So with this being said, I mean, nice bass. I do like them. They got nice bass. They're comfortable. I can recommend them as far as recommending them to buy, especially for the steel that you get them at right now on Amazon. You can get these for like $50. So this is a steal. This is a steal. So with that being said, hit like and subscribe to the channel. This is MC with Tech. Going to be a comparison video coming up in the next few days about the SoundCore Q20s live and the One More Sonoflows. I think it's a good comparison. And I'm also going to see about getting those Q30s to see about how they sound with the active noise cancellation, because you can use the Q30s with the app, and you can't use these with inside the app, which is nothing I like about them like that. You know, I prefer to have an app and set EQ settings or an EQ to make the headphones more immersive, make them more better. So with that being said, hit like and subscribe to the channel. This is MC with Tech. We're going to get back with another video. Hit like and subscribe. I'm trying to get the channel to grow. Hit like and subscribe.